Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another biology presentation. So here with me, I have a very simple question that is, which reads, the diagram below shows a compound microscope. So this is the compound microscope that is labeled 1, 2, 3. So before we even look at the question, we can try to identify these parts. So the part labeled 1, what is it called? So this is called the eyepiece. Okay. This is called the eyepiece. Then the part labeled 2, this is called the objective lens. This is where we have the objective lens. Then the part labeled 3 right here, this is the stage. Okay, so we know that on the eyepiece, that is where we normally, if we want to observe any specimen, that is where the eyes should be directed to, so that we look at the specimen nicely. Then on the objective lens, this is where now we want to see the specimen, okay, through the what? The lens. Then on the stage right here, on this stage, this is where, or it's a slide, as you can see, where we place the specimen. So let us now look at the questions. Okay, so here is the question. Where are the labeled parts? What are the labeled parts 1, 2, and 3? So they want us to identify the labeled parts. We have said part 1 is the eyepiece, part 2 is the objective lens, part 3 is the stage. So let's look for these options. So we have said 1 should be the eyepiece, then 2 is the objective lens, 3 is the stage. So when you see, we'll go for A and B. C and D completely wrong, because 1 they have said objective lens, again objective lens on D. So A, eyepiece, 2 objective lens, 3 stage. B, 1 eyepiece, 2 objective lens, 3 mirror. So the answer here is going to be A. 1 is the eyepiece, 2 is the objective lens, 3 is the stage. So thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our session. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye bye.